Good morning. An important issue which all courts, social organizations, social reformers, social activities concentrate was that mining minerals, stealing the resources, discaring about the consequences, environmental defects being caused by activities of these quarry dealers. They even ready to kill or do damage to authorities who prevent them from. Apart from that, a large scale uh, scandals also prevailing with one license or tender, permitted tender. They excessively quarry the mines and minerals. This case, this judgment would help you. The courts also you can bring to the notice of the court or concerned can file application under section 156/3 to prosecute them. It's a case where AR 2021 Supreme Court 496 Jayanti etc. versus State of Madhya Pradesh. There the private quarry personnels approached Honorable High Court when they were prosecuted for offences under section 379 and 414 of Penal Code. Their claim was that this was barred under section 4 of the Act, Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act, and they want to quash, but the High Court refused to quash. Therefore, they went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said this way: under provisions contained in section 21, 22 and other sections of the MMDR, Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act, there is no complete and absolute bar in prosecuting persons under Penal Code where offences committed by persons are penal and cognizable offences. Prohibition contained in section 22 of the MMDR Act against prosecution of a person, except on written complaint made by the authorized officer in this behalf, would be attracted only when such person is sought to be prosecuted for contravention of section 4 of the MMDR Act, and not for any act or omission which constitutes an offence under the Penal Code. So therefore they have refused to quash the punishment, the IPC cases. So the brief of the case was that actually on surprise inspection, mining inspector checked tractor and trolleys of private appellants, sand storage, yellow soil, etc. Then they have prosecuted them and they appeared before the collector, collected compounded the offence by imposing penalty, royalty, revenue loss, everything was considered. They have paid it. But after that, the magistrate Somoto directed the police to register a case for an offences under Indian Penal Code. Then FIRs were filed. Then they want to quash the FIR. For this only they have registered. They have approached the Honorable Supreme Court has categorically held that the prosecution is maintainable. And they say, according to research, in-stream sand mining results in the destruction of aquatic and riparian habitat through wholesale changes in the channel morphology. The ill effects include bed degradation, bed coarsening, include water lowering and channel instability. These physical impact cause degradation of aquarium and aquatic in the present context. Therefore, they have also deeply discussed about the consequences and held that the prosecution is maintainable. So, royal salute to the land magistrate at Madhya Pradesh, and let us hope the Tamil Nadu police, Tamil Nadu land magistrates may also issue such direction for taking cognizance for offences under Section 370. Best wishes.